Commonly, this menu can be found in many food stalls in every corner. It reminds me the office job I got when I was in Thailand. No lunchbox is prepared or any idea to eat is no problem. ผัดกะเพราไข่ดาว is the very first menu that popped up in mind. It fills the tummy and so yummy. Moreover, it spices up the day. Hi guys สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้นะครับ today I will show you how to do ผัดกระเพราหมูกรอบ or the crispy stir fry with the holy basil. Start with the ingredients that we use today. Alright, for the crispy pork or the หมูกรอบ we're gonna boil first about 30 to 45 minutes in salt, black pepper, a little dash of sugar, baking soda, and garlic.Onions. For stir fry itself, after we do the crispy fried pork and we stir fry with the sauce that I mix and I use it for many menu that is very staple in the kitchen, so we can make it a big batch. You can save it in the refrigerator for another menu or any menu of stir fry. Like you can stir fry vegetable. Time if you feel like hungry.You just open your refrigerator and grab some noodle and soak with the hot warm water about few minutes and then stir fry in a wok with the sauce that I'm going to show you. Soy sauce, oyster sauce and sugar. It's very easy, right? Wow. We do the sauce that you can use in every menu. Alright, and I have here is the string bean. You can find it in the Asian market. Generally, it's like really long.So when we use it's like gonna fry chop into pieces, and also I have here the holy basil. You can only find here in the Asian market. I have this one, the vinegar for the crispy pork. Alright, we're gonna start with the pork. When they bought it at the market, it's come with the big pieces with chunk, so I cut into half. For this size of pork belly, it's come with the rind on.And I will leave it on. I can cut half. Alright. Has become like this. And we boil for about 30 to 45 minutes, okay? I add about a quarter of water.Alright, here I have salt in the pot, black pepper into the pot, and garlic, about 3 cloves. That. You have the heat on medium high.I cut an onions into half and cut 4 and baking soda a bit with spoon, and now the time for the pork belly and the pot.And it takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes until the rind is kind of clear and translucent and the meat itself is cooked. And while we're waiting for the pork belly to cook, we can make some sauce. Okay? Alright guys, for the sauce that I use for many menu for the stir fry, I use the sauce, the soy sauce, sugar, oyster. Very easy, 3 portion. I put a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of soy sauce. The reason that I like this seasoning soy sauce is gluten-free. You can find it at the Asian market too. So the soy sauce go in and mix. Lovely. And now oyster sauce goes in here and pour it in to the bowl. And now pour into the squeeze bottle. Shake well.
We have sauce.
And now I work with the vegetable. I'm gonna start with slice an onion. Cut the top and the ends of the onion and peel the outside. Something like that. I like to slice curved angle like this. Alright. I have here and this done. Now bell pepper. We slice into long stripe like this, similar to the onion. Cool. I use about half of it. Now the garlic, I use about 3 cloves, and chili, I use the knife and pressed. Okay, more piece, and also the chili. And now I have here. Now we have เครื่องผัด. The first ingredient that we're gonna throw in the pan here in this tray. We have onion, bell pepper, garlic pressed, and also chili. And then I'm gonna work with Kaprao or holy basil. I'm gonna use a small knife or paring knife, run through this leaves, leave the stem off, or you can use your hand, it's okay, but I like to use the knife. It's much easier for me. Now I'm gonna add cold water. All the leaves that we have here, and then I'm gonna slice in small pieces of string bean. I use half of it. I cut the top, the stem part, and the end of the string bean, and slice, tiny slice to pieces. Here I have the string bean, and here I have pork belly that I cooked with boiling. I'm gonna use vinegar to pour onto them. Use my fork, make a hole through the skin, and put it overnight in the refrigerator. I roast the pork belly for about 33 to 45 minutes. I need the oil, the fat from the pork belly is coming out a little bit, and then I will deep fry in the pan. Alright, let's take it out from the roast oven, and then I'm gonna cut into small stripe. I can do 3. Here, I put an oil, about, let's say about 5 cups. Oh, before I fry the pork belly, I'm gonna fry the Thai style crispy fried egg. I turn the heat into medium high. Crack the egg open. Okay. And throw it in the pan. I have here eggs. And now, time for crispy pork. Oil, that. that's the sound that I need. Woo! Ow! Ow! No, no. Ah, it's hot. Let's set aside. I'm gonna chop up the pork belly into small pieces like 2 inches. Alright, now I turn the burner back on to medium high. And wait a little bit. After that, bell pepper goes in. Followed by onions. The onions and the bell pepper first because I want the oil can infuse the aromatic. The color is just turned brown, so I think it's about ready. I add in garlic and crushed pepper, the Thai chili, and stir fry until you can smell it. You can smell it now. Wow. Okay. Now the pork belly goes in. Wow. Oh my god. Whew. The stir fry sauce that I made. 2 tablespoons of this sauce. Oh my god. So if you cook this menu, don't forget to turn on the red hood on. Otherwise the whole house will smell. Now the string bean goes in. Now turn the burner to high. Woo. The holy basil goes in. It's about ready. Nice. And then off the heat. Put it on top. Lower rice. Alright, my friend. It's the moment of truth now. I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm so excited, and that smells very good now. Like that. Wow, it's hot already. Wow, so spicy. And the crispy pork just perfect. I like the texture, and it goes well with rice. Wow. Wow, about crying. So good. And every bite, I have the small pieces of string bean, the chopped finely, and the textures when I chew, and it's kind of fun, you know, when I eat while you're eating. So I'm gonna put it here. Wow, this menu is so good. You should try it for yourself. And thank you so much for watching today. And if you like me to cook for any menu, please leave a comment below. I will leave the recipe on the description box. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any episode. Bye.